Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Movie Studio 16 Platinum demonstration here. What I normally do when I'm using this program. And when version 17 comes out very shortly, I'll be posting weekly tutorials on that program. And but first of all, before we start, if you find I'm talking too fast or mumbling, there's a little link at the top that will send you to a video that will explain everything, why I talk like this. Just so you know in the future. So first of all, I like to start with a clean slate with Movie Studio. I like it to look like Vegas Pro. So what I do is close all these. For your video, go to the three little lines here, click More, Edit Visual Button Set, Show All, click OK. For audio, go to More, Edit Visual Button Set, Show All. Okay, it's going to show all your buttons are going to be always visible when you go to start editing. And when you start doing tutorials with me, it's going to be a lot easier to follow along. Okay, in the preview window, go to More Buttons, Edit Visual Button Set, Show All. Okay, so let's import some media. And what to do here? I like to start clean. So at the very bottom here, hold the Control key down, highlight each of these tracks. Press delete. All these tracks. This is what Vegas Pro looks like. It's complete clean look like this. So when you drag video to the timeline like this, it will automatically create a video track and an audio track. And here's all your buttons, all at your fingertips. So when I start doing tutorials, and I do my tutorials, you might get lost if you have to go in here and try and find where your buttons are, because I'm going to be using the buttons all in the preview window here. This is the layout I'm going to be using. So this is how Vegas Pro works. Anytime you drag an audio or video clip to your timeline, it will create the appropriate track for you. So it's just going to make editing a lot easier for you. And all your buttons up here in the preview window are all shown. You don't have to go hunting for them. They're all visible. So I just want to pass along this quick tip. Vegas Movie Studio 17 is going to be out very soon. Once it comes out, I'll be doing a walkthrough and showing you what the new features are in the program. So I just wanted to brief you on what I'm going to be doing in the future and how to make the workflow a lot easier for you when you start using Movie Studio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.